All right, hey, code zoners. In these modules here, we're going to be talking a little bit about what the Chrome extension is and follow along videos. We're also going to be diving into creating our very own basic Chrome extension. And so one of the things that I want to make sure that we're all on the same page, and obviously you're going to have to download Google Chrome in order to complete these projects, but a Chrome extension is just really just a small piece of software that just runs inside of your Google Chrome browser. And it's totally different compared to a web page because usually a web page or URL, it resides on the web, right? And this is in your browser, which means you don't even have to visit a page in order for this extension to be alive and working. And so some common extensions that you might probably be familiar with is things like such as ad blockers, password managers, maybe some note-taking tools. I use Grammarly, and also there's things out there that could help customize your website. Maybe that might be a little eyedropper to get some hex code color out of the web page that's actually on there. So there's lots of extensions out there. Some are very useful. Some you try to install and then you're like, oh, it's not for me. But anyways, like I said, take a look to the information down below this video to kind of help give you a bigger picture of what Google Chrome is and what the extensions can do here for you. But we're going to build something really basic. Like I said, you're going to be surprised with the minimal amount of files that are needed for this to work. And it's just going to be some simple HTML, maybe some CSS, and maybe some JavaScript. All right. So we'll see you in the next modules.